Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at moments which will make you question reality. Some lightning god got angry with her playstyle and did that. Bro found a real-life boomerang. Lightning strike hates traffic, so it cleared the roads like that. This looks straight out of a movie scene. Someone definitely angered a sky god. The sky decided to one-up their fireworks. This isn't as scary as a lightning strike, but imagine getting caught in there. The entire house just went for a slide. They're just casually swimming in a washing machine. He didn't expect that wave to come. Forget about touching grass. I need to touch the sea.
Sea! I need to go in the water! I need to dive in the sea! I need to go...
That car got struck by a lightning. I got fooled and you probably got fooled too. This is how my parents said they went to school.
No ha vuelto.
He's riding on liquid and solid water at the same time. His knees must be strongest in the world. Bro's cockpit is made of wood and zip ties. Legend says this tire is still trying to get there. This might be the best camera angle for that sport. That man just entered creative mode. Bro thinks his slackline is a trampoline.
Give it to you.
He made those landings look way too easy. He forgot how to swim. This is the final boss of all swimming pools. I didn't expect him to jump up there. He just went for a casual walk at the bottom of the pool. This is the worst idea ever. That slide is now officially a speed slide. The human train has officially derailed. A stick almost went up in his butt, but he is good. They really put an on switch on the water slide. That's what happens when 6 guys go down the slide at the same time.
Now, you can save £50 per person.
He definitely read that sign as a challenge. This is how all airports should be. The seats just do whatever they want. This is what happens. The track itself is going to drop you. Last guy trying to catch up is funny. This is what simulation of F1 looks like. This woman was a fish in a past life. Imagine training your whole life for this moment. They're playing tennis on the river now. This is how the final boss arrives. I was scared entire time. Turns out this guy is a
him on the arm, and then oof, I don't want to talk about the second part of it.
The stadium gave him a personal welcome. He elbowed that AirPod straight into... He must really love that bush. He chose to fall on concrete instead of bush.
Right now,
that fall turned into a tactical roll.
Brooklyn somersaults her way to...
Bro found the board's one weak spot. This sounds like a race between That's the most athletic donkey in history. That pan is cooking all by itself. The man was so fast, it looked like he just spawned on top of the rock. Some of his sand creations are just amazing. Can you guess what he is building there? I don't think that's how you clean a waffle iron. This bubble didn't want anybody to get
Que la vida con cariño, con ganas de vivir, con muchísimo.
He made a whole bowl just for that chopsticks. Imagine trying to wash this car. This is why I can't go to sleep at night. My man is walking on 2 tiny mattresses. This lamp just bloomed into an umbrella.
Hola.
Bro became a tree ornament for a minute. Those are some deadly moves that should be banned forever. This looks like the opening scene to a ninja training at home looks unreal. This is way too funny. I didn't expect that. It's the roller coaster, but an adult version. This seems like a fun game. He almost ended that soccer ball's career. I was hoping for some more damage. They turned out fine. He will never have to chase a rebound again. Kids from Brazil are a different breed. This is what I call modern problems require. That's a red card for the dog, for sure. Imagine what will happen if he get hit with the rope once. Bro is playing against an automated turret. This is the championship for bald men. His celebration cost more than the game. Bro's pool cue needs to be reloaded. Bro took catch and release to a whole new level. She put a smoke bomb in a bubble and it exploded. This bird has somehow got to be related to the dinosaur. She made it all look so easy. If you feed him enough, he switches gears. That's one way to get back on the boat.
Nothing beats a jet fuel.
Bro found the secret shortcut on the map. Bro has biggest. I guess it was meant for only one person.
It's a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can save 50.
They turned the boat ramp into a water slide. Bro is the underwater drinker. My man is trying to drown underwater. Bro is basically swimming on a treadmill. That's how you know the water is too hot.
And right now, you can save £50.
The waiter took that request personally.
It's a Jet 2 holiday. And right now,
that hot dog is a 2-person job. New technology at its finest. Filters can change real life too.
Tecnologia.
Those are the worst kind of friends ever. Bro just walked into a fountain. That fog is just too much. They're playing pool, but aim for the wrong hole. He is the final boss of that plant. The shampoo is getting perfectly erased. The best way to wash a car is to have a car. What will happen if he doesn't turn off that machine? He wrapped him with tape like a Christmas gift. Bro can jump to space. That is the weirdest skin I have ever seen. Her teeth have a built-in coin slot and it gives you a toy.
New holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
How is he even seeing through that mud? Bro broke the sound barrier in the bathroom. The cotton candy just gave up on life. This goat is so smart, he can do all of that. This is what college dorm trash shoot looks like. Bro really wants that haircut. The Slinky has reached its final form. It just phased right through the desk. The magnet is pulling out a metal jellyfish. The box mother got angry. That's a lawnmower for leaves. Even the field line painter is a robot now. The tree is now a permanent defender. The track just casually catches on fire. He brought a spaceship to a car show. So this is what pens are doing when we are... That bike is a straight-up royal artifact. That's not where you park that, sir. Bro is the human attachment to the tractor. He just created a fuel tornado. That's a phone acting like a spray can. Bro, that's exactly how it feels in a real car. Wow. The easiest way to make golfers angry, they will mix up. He's feeling the music, literally in... Bro is literally stuck inside a video game. The entire mall just became a ball pit. He took a picture of his feet for proof of delivery. He made a heart from Lego that actually pumps. Bro literally has a hole in his head.
It's a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you...
That is what I call a glitch in real life. Future is here. Walmart drones delivering straight to house with a parachute.
On the way.
There you go.
I have a feeling that that Uber rating won't last. I didn't know you could go above clouds like that. Bro turned off the engine to save fuel. What does he need that fuel for if not for the engine? The kid is very skilled in this activity. Is this how real dragons come to life? Bro thinks he's in Minecraft. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to have one of these videos, to have one which looks the best for you, because not me, YouTube itself thinks you will love it. So you have to figure out the reason for that.